Hi Ticats fans, my name is Kinga Mushinsky and I'm going to be one of your 2014 Ticats TV hosts. With starting quarterback Zach Collaros being out due to injury, there's been a lot of debate and speculation regarding which quarterback will start this Friday when the Cats take on the Stampeders. Week 12 in CFL action will wrap up this Sunday when the Ticats host the Saskatchewan Roughriders for their second and final matchup of the regular season. Labor Day Classic is coming back to Hamilton and it's going to be played at the brand new Tim Hortons Field. His pass blocking and blitz pickups truly add to his versatility. CJ is a force to be reckoned with. Will be out for the rest of the season. However, Lyndon Gaydosh has stepped in. He has some big shoes to fill, but he's doing a great job out there on the front line. Dan, your first CFL start solidified your first win. How does it feel?
Feels great.
Moving forward, what was different about tonight's game than what has happened previously in the season?
I think the offense is doing a little better.
All right, and I'm on the lookout to find the Coors Light Skin in the Game winner. Hey guys, things are gonna get intense. Are you ready?
Oh, I'm ready.
I think he's doing a little hip warm-up. Ladies, are you ready?
Oh, we're ready.
Graded pair of Coors Light patio tickets, as well as a signed Ticats jersey. So we'll be looking out for you come game day.
Probably Hey Macarena.
Does he sing along?
He dances to it
He dances?
every day.
And sing?
It's his morning ritual.
Can you give us a little demo? Are you ready?
Yeah, let's do it.
I'm warming up too because I have to ask these questions really, really fast, okay? So today we are going to get an inside scoop and find out what takes place in the boardroom come draft day. Let's check it out. Oh. Plan B. I don't have